there, beauty ravers, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Raven, and this is where I like to rave about beauty. If you would ever so kindly hit that like and subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, it means so much to me. Now, without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Hi guys, today we are unboxing my Boxycharm for January, and I'm so excited because I didn't pick a choice item this month, so everything is a mystery. Now let's jump on into it. Hello, Charmers! So I don't like to spoil anything, so I'm just going to randomly grab things from the box. But our theme this month is Fresh Start, and we all need that, so I'm very happy to see it. Honestly, I still hope 2021 is better than 2020. It's not starting off very well, but there's still time to change it around. This is my cat's tail. Yeah. He's in my lap. He's being very clingy today, so he's just gonna hang out with us, and we're gonna do the unboxing together. Say hi, Spook. That's my little baby right here. He wants to be clingy, so I'm gonna let him be clingy, because if not, he's going to cry and scratch at the door. So I figured this was a better alternative. But if you see a cat tail or cat ears at any point, just ignore it. He's having a grand old time. We're having a grand old time. It's a fun time, guys. Like, you see him right here. So the first thing I see on top is the Spook, you're making this hard. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. The first thing I see on top is this Farmacy, and I love Farmacy. My favorite eye cream is actually from Farmacy. This is the Farmacy Deep Sweep Toner, and it says 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner with moringa and papaya. Sounds really good, and I'm excited to try this because I only have one toner at the moment, and I'm not huge on it. It's not a bad toner, but I would like to try more. Now let's open it up and see how luxe it looks, because Farmacy products usually look pretty nice. Ooh, it's in a glass jar. Okay, this is nice. It looks very luxe and glamorous, if you will, for a toner at least. I'm liking this. It comes with 4 fluid ounces. It looks pretty nice. I'm excited to try this out. The next thing I see right here is the Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science. This is a triple peptide eye cream. Okay, another eye cream. I was just talking about the Farmacy one that I got in a Boxycharm box a few months ago that I really enjoy. So hopefully I will like this one just as much. I've heard good things about Dr. Brandt, so I'm excited to give this a try as well. Next, we have this little thing, and it's in bubble wrap, so I will take that off real quick. This is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. I think this was one of the choice items, so I'm guessing this is what they chose for my box. I wasn't blown away with any of the choice items for this month, so I decided to just let them choose for me. However, after some consideration, I really wish I had got the Avante or Advant. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But one of the choice items was from them, and it was a micellar water. And I recently have learned to love a micellar water. So I kind of wish that would have came in the box, but that's my bad. I could have chose it, and that's on me. But this is what actually came in the box, and it looks pretty cute. I like most of the things I've tried from Laura Geller. However, this doesn't really look like it's going to be for me. It's just kind of subtle in my humble opinion. I like a very, very glowy highlighter, so I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I might pass it on to a friend, but I will give it a shot and see how it applies to the face, because sometimes highlighters don't swatch as well, but they look really beautiful on the face. I've had that happen a few times, so I'm not going to talk too much until I try it. Next, we have here the Bali Balm. This is a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. A couple months back, I received a Beautē lip treatment in my Boxycharm box that I absolutely adore. I wear it every single day, and I actually went back and purchased not one, but 2 more, because it's honestly my favorite lip balm slash treatment that I've ever tried. And so I'm excited to try this, because maybe this is as good. Who knows? And this one is a squeezy tube. I have talked about not liking squeezy tubes, but I retract the statement because I kind of love them now. My Beautē one is a squeezy tube as well, and it doesn't bother me whatsoever. For some reason, I prefer a doe foot, but I'm starting to get on the squeezy tube train, so I'm not too mad, and I'm excited to try this. And then our last item in the box is also in bubble wrap, so let me take that off really quickly. This is the Ciaté London The Velvet palette. I'm a little bit disappointed, I'll be honest. Not that I don't love Ciaté London, because I have received another palette from them in a Boxycharm prior to this, and I loved that palette so much. Great formula, great quality. However, I'm not a neutral lover, and most of their palettes are very neutral leaning. And the other palette for this month was the olive palette from Violet Voss, and I love olive greens. So I was kind of hoping I'd get that one, but I'm not mad because I do like Ciaté London. And this is what the color story looks like on this one. Like I said, very neutral leaning. I'm not mad about it, but it's not really my perfect color story. I will swatch this for you and we'll see how the formula is on this one. So that's the top row. Pretty subtle. Not blowing me away. It's definitely not as rich as the other palette I tried from them, but let's swatch the second row. And let's swatch the third row, because why not? Oh, I swatched that like on top of it. Whoops! But if we can be honest, this kind of looks similar. A little bit different. So that's the palette. I'm not mad at it. Some of them swatch better than others for sure. It's not a bad palette. It's definitely not my color story, but I will give this a shot, and if you like neutrals, this might be the color story for you. It's just not really for me. I'm obviously a little bit more bold. I literally have a two-tone look on today. It's just not really grabbing my attention. But now let's go through and see how much this box retails for. Alright, so the Ciaté London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette retails for $30. That's a hefty price tag. I know Ciaté London isn't the most affordable brand, but I do like their products for the most part. I don't think I would spend $30 on this. Next we have the Farmacy toner, and this retails for $28. I feel like that's a pretty fair price point for a high-end toner and getting 4 fluid ounces of toner. I'm not too mad at that price tag. Next we have the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo in Heart of Gold. This retails for $33. I would never spend that on this. No offense, Laura Geller. Then we have the Dr. Brandt eye cream, and this retails for $82. Holy guacamole. Let's open this up because we didn't for some reason. Sometimes I forget. This is what it looks like. It is a tube. Okay, I actually like that. I like that it's in a tube because a lot of my eye creams are in jars, and when I have my nails on, it's kind of hard to get the product out. So having it in a tube, I can just put it on my finger and it's a lot easier. But I'm going to tell you my true opinion, $82. I don't think I could justify that even if I was obsessed with this product. That's such a hefty price tag for an eye cream. That's kind of ridiculous. But I will be trying this out, and I'm very excited to because apparently it's bougie. Last but not least, we have the Bali Balm, and this retails for $33. For a lip balm? What? This better be like the best lip balm ever. I thought the $17 for Beautē was expensive, but it is a really good lip balm. So I kind of can justify that one, but this better knock my socks off because that's a lot of money for a lip balm. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I'm excited to have it because, again, bougie. Alright guys, so that brings our total box value to $206. And if you're new to Boxycharm, I only spent $25. So I can't really complain. However, I will say this was the most disappointing month that I've had so far. But honestly, I'm still pretty pumped about it. I'm excited for the lip balm. I'm excited for the toner. I'm excited for the eye cream. That's 3 out of the 5 things that I'm excited for. So I can't really complain. I just will say my boxes prior to this have been a lot better. But I'm excited to see what February holds because I do have faith in Boxycharm. Boxycharm is such a good subscription service. I definitely don't regret this box. I don't regret any box that I've had so far. I just don't think it was the best curated box for me personally. But I do think I will get use out of these products regardless. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you have Boxycharm? Did you get any similar items? Are you excited for this box? Do you like what I got? Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. I love to chat with you guys. It's one of my favorite things to do. Love my comment section. You guys are always so sweet and positive, and it really makes my days. So I hope you had fun watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and stay beautiful. Mwah.